What's up, guys? This is Will of Will's Gadgets and More, back with another video. So today we're taking a look at a gaming mouse. So this was sent over to me by the company EKSA. Big shout out to them for sending this over for a review. Now you can pick this up on Amazon.com. It's going to come in two different colors. You can get it in black, which is going to be $20.99. And you can get it in white for $25.99. I'll drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. So some of the features and details on this. This has 8 programmable buttons. You got your left button, your right button, your strobe button, DPI button, DPI plus button, forward button, backwards button, and you got a light button underneath. It says that this is incredible, lightweight, weighing 6 to 8 grams or 2.39 ounces. You're going to have 7 adjustable DPIs. 6 kinds of RGB lights. You're going to go from 800 to 12,400 on the DPI. You guys see you got all those colors in between. And this is designed for different gaming needs. 8 programmable buttons, 4 polling rate, 800 to 12,400 adjustable DPI. It says, note, the computer mouse isn't programmable with the Mac OS. The software can be downloaded from other websites. Ergonomic design for you. Strong durability, 20 million times keystroke. This features non-slip sides and sweat-proof material. So like I said, I'll drop the link in the description if you guys are interested in picking this up. Here's the packaging. Let's get into it. All right, guys, so here's the box. As you guys see, it has a nice picture of the device there. It's got the branding up there, super light gaming mouse. This is raised too. It has an actual feel to the box. It's raised up around the mouse. This is the EM500. Some of the other stuff I named off here. It's going to have a parachute cord, RGB, 6 to 8 grams. Here's some more information that I read off here. Pretty much the same thing we've already talked about. And then on the back of it, some dope packaging here, man. I like the way they designed this and the way it looks. So let's go ahead and get in the box and see what we got here. Now, disclaimer, I am not a gamer, so I'll do my best to present this. So you're going to have your user's guide here, which is going to tell you everything that you need to know about this mouse, how to program it, and how to get this thing going. If you're a gamer, you pretty much already know how to do this, and we will get into that. Maybe have to take a look at that. So I can tell you right now, it has a nice orange color here. Thought it was trying to troll me on camera here, but got it out. So this is nice, man. So this has a braided cord on it. Now this is 6 feet long, man. They call this a parachute cord. You're gonna have your type A plug in there, and this is braided, as you guys see. Nice orange and black color, which are colors that I like. So here's the mouse. Feels like I'm holding nothing here in my hand. And here's all those buttons we talked about earlier. Very, very light, man. Here's the button for your RGB lights there. This is kind of vented right here. And it's a good size. So here's my little Logitech mouse, as you guys see. So the size of it is a pretty good size mouse. And it's going to be pretty good. So what I'm going to do is get my Microsoft Surface Go 3 and plug this in, and we'll give it a try. All right, guys, so we're back in. I have this connected to my Microsoft Surface Go 3. I have it connected through a dongle here, just plugged into the USB-A. So you guys can see the nice RGB lighting going on there. Very nice. This thing is very lightweight, very easy to use, feels comfortable in the hand. So on the bottom, you guys can see the nice RGB lighting going on there. Now, if you wanted to change this pattern up, there's a button on the bottom that you can just simply press and cycle through the different modes there. You can also turn it off, and so that is pretty nice. So let me show you guys in the little pamphlet here, instructions manual or user's guide they call it. So you got, these are your different RGB modes here. You guys see you can cycle through each one of those and find the one that you need or you want. And also on the DPIs, there's your settings right there as well. So red is going to be 800 DPI, green 1600, so on and so forth until you get to the white, which is 12,400 DPI. So on the DPIs, you got two switches here that you can press to speed or slow down the mouse function. If I wanted it to go real slow or real fast, like right here, you guys can see the pointer. So gamers would know exactly what to do with this. I'm not a gamer, but it seems to be working great. Let's go ahead and open up the browser and try out the buttons here. Like I said, it feels very nice in the hand using this. Let's go to something like Best Buy. Gonna open that up. Gonna go ahead and open up Twitter. And let's go ahead and open up one more. Let's open up Apple. So that's the Apple site. The stroll wheel works great. I can press the back button and it'll take me back. Press the front button, it'll bring me back. So all of that works. These are programmable buttons as well. Stroll wheel works great. Yeah, so this is nice, man. Very lightweight and comfortable in the hand. So let's go ahead and finish the video. All right, guys, so this has been my look at the EKSA Superlight Gaming Mouse. This is the EM500. Very nice, lightweight mouse that seems to perform well. Like I said, I'm not a gamer, but it seemed like it'd be excellent for someone that's in the gaming. Has a great price on it. I'll drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick it up. This is Will's Gadgets and More. I'm out.